Guys, my name is Isaiah. I'm a project manager with Wise Builders Roofing and Renovations. We're building this roof today on this bright sunny morning in Theodore, Alabama. This homeowner had wind damage from recent storms, so we filed an insurance claim. I met the adjuster out here and we got an approval for full roof replacement. A few weeks later, we scheduled the build, and today we are removing the old shingles and installing a brand new metal roof. The homeowner paid their deductible plus the metal upgrade price, and this roof also meets fortified standards. That includes renailing the decking, taping all the seams with tar tape, laying ice and water shield in the valleys, and covering the whole deck with synthetic underlayment. On top of all that, we are installing these shiny new metal panels, and the customer chose a shadow gray color that actually goes really well with the siding of the house. It looks amazing, and I'm just so excited that we got to help out another homeowner getting their roof replaced through insurance. So give Wise Builders Roofing and Renovations a call. We would love to give you a complimentary inspection and to see if you're qualified to get your roof replaced through insurance just like this homeowner did.